Greetings to all honorable judges. In this particular video, we are going to learn how to create shortcuts with the variable fields. Now, variable fields are the fields where mostly the dictations are required. As you can see it on your screen, the particular document has a lot of default values. So these are the places where you usually require the dictation. So I'm gonna show you how you can do it manually. I'm simply copying everything and then clicking on tools and then to add new commands and pasting everything in the content box. Then in the command name I'm typing you can train this particular word, insert wakalatnama, then click on save. Let's say it works or not. Open new document, insert wakalatnama. As you can see, the cursor automatically comes to the first default value. All you have to do is switch on the microphone and dictate Bombay, all caps that, next variable Aurangabad, next variable 2022, next variable Prabhakaran, next variable state of Maharashtra. So this way you can simply create a lot of shortcuts with default values, or where wherever the dictations are required, you can create a default value of that. And if you still require more help, you can always get in touch with our support team. Details are on your screen. Thank you for watching.